Sin ti no me va bien, tampoco me va mal. Pase lo que pase, no te voy a llamar. Ya yo me quité, nunca.
Welcome. Oh my god. We're vlogging at the beach. Hopefully the wind noise isn't that bad, guys, but I just decided to pull out my camera because I haven't vlogged at the beach in a while. Man, I'm thinking about this wind noise now. I'm trying this oat milk latte from this brand and it tastes so good so far. It has like a cup and a half of coffee, but I'm trying not to do that much coffee. If you guys are wondering where this bathing suit is from, it was only like less than $25 from Amazon. And I'm loving it. Look how pretty. Very colorful. Reminds me of like a hippie. Hippie. Of course I have to have some poppy because it's so good for your gut health. And it only has 20 calories. This one's a raspberry rosé. You guys have to try it. I keep talking about it, but they're just that good. Ooh, I'm gonna have one in a little bit. Got some of this frizz control from the dollar store. The aloe glow system. The little, oh, I need this soy sauce. Need this soy sauce for the poke bowl I'm having. This little public goods bag, so cute. My laptop, I'm not doing work though today. My sunscreen, this is the best sunscreen ever. It's by Fenty Skin and it's called the Razor or something. Windsor glasses. This N14 Luxe Unfiltered Conditioning Cream. It's a Santel. It smells really good, like that's why I got it. And it leaves your skin really soft. I think it's personally a little bit too like overpriced, but it is pretty good. But I think like a lot of people compare it to Jergens. I see why, but it does smell super good on your skin. It like kind of glows and whatnot. This is my favorite lip plumper by LA Girl. It's a lip gloss and it's tinted. It leaves like a little pinky nude color. And yeah, my keys, my tripod, which I haven't been taking a lot of pictures, but it's fine. And that's it. That is it, guys. This here. People from Gelson's, so freaking good. There's so many different beaches in California. I forgot this one, the name of this one, but so far I like it. I just heard on the radio that it was gonna be the hottest, so like 77 degrees for today. Today's a Tuesday, so just decided to go to this one. I already started eating, but
I know you want me. Only when you're lonely.
I'm gonna try this one instead of my favorite strawberry. Tastes like a strawberry fan of the other one. That one's good too, but still prefer the strawberry lemon. I need a new camera. I'll talk to you guys later.
I know you want me, baby, then only when you're lonely. Yeah, you think you know me, but you don't even know myself.
Hey guys, came to the downtown here at Seal Beach. Never been here before. I have sand all over my face, but let's see. You want a sheet? Just walking around. There's just a bunch of like stores, boutiques as always. Oh, those are cool baskets. Hello. This is a rare sight. I have not seen New York pizza style here in LA like this. What if it's actually good? If it's $1, then it's good. There are so many crystal shops in California. It's kind of insane. That's a cool. Look at that. Before I forget, quick OOTD. These sandals are from H&M. I think I got them a few years ago. These are Amazon. They're just my workout pants, and then my bathing suit's also Amazon. And that's it. And that's it. Not sure if you guys heard me at the beach, but this is only like less than 25, the bathing suit, which is pretty good. I think we're gonna do this. Let me get this 2 slices. Love a lot of garlic. They look like New York pizzas, but they're $8, $4 a piece. So not New York prices. Okay. The verdict is, it's not a New York pizza, but it's good. But it's not like New York. 2 slices of this, and it being maybe like $1 or $2. Now then, we're talking New York. But it's so good. It's a cute little town. Drinking my poppy. Pizza was good. I cut myself. I kind of have a headache.
Was there still there?
I kind of have a headache. I don't know why.
I feel like there's trouble with families out there.
Okay, I have to come in here. Espresso and gelato. Affogato. 2 of my favorite things right here. Well, I'm going in. This is a literal purple store. I don't know what this reminds me of. I don't know what movie, but I don't know. It reminds me of something. These are cool. I don't know what kind of shop it is. I see like a barber chair. Oh no. Wonder what it is. Like a vintage shop. I don't know. My camera's gonna die as always. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Just in case it dies. Let me know what else I should vlog since I'm vlogging more. What you guys want to see, because I'm still new here, and I don't know, any helpful content that you guys might want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching the videos on this channel. Thank you for being subscribed. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving me ideas. Thank you for supporting me on here, and make sure you support me on Instagram and comment a swimming emoji if you guys would like on any of my recent pictures, so I know you guys are coming from the tube. This is cool. Thank you, Rich. It's like a scene. Alright, gonna do Euro Tart Bro Yo. I can't do this with one hand. I'll be back.
Baby, tell me, do it for me all the time. So let me show you, don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, slow, just split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love when you trust when you on it, you do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it. Be honest, regardless of my conscience. Be honest.
Love it.
You want it. I can be honest, regardless of my conscience. Take time, can I say I'm whenever I see bad vibes? Come away, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never say it high. I can put it up, but you know I can never lie. I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Wanna be somebody you can run to. And I can put that in my life one time.
never lie, you will make me happy.